Reefs are absolutely critical coastal ecosystems. They are hotspots of biodiversity. Up to a quarter of all marine species, as far as we know today, are found on coral reefs. I started working in the Florida Keys as an intern when I was an undergraduate, with diving on those sites and listening. Oh, look at these incredible stands of elfhorn, coral, just these huge structures. Spent several years working on that system for my PhD, left for a time when I did my postdoctoral work, and then came back, started my lab here at USC and started working on those reefs again. Took my first students with me, and they got in the water and was like, wow, look at these corals, they're so crazy impressive. And I looked at them and thought, wow, how horrible these corals look. They're not what I remembered. And that really emphasized for me sort of that shifting baseline, that what my students thought was great, I thought was kind of underwhelming. And then thinking back, like, gosh, did what I think was great seem underwhelming to my advisors? And so wanting to at least bring it back to what I remembered, if not a better state, is like my personal motivation.
I think when I hear about the narrative around corals, it's often so sad and there's not very much hope around it. And I would like to switch that narrative. People are working together all over the planet. When we're all working on the same problem in different places and we all come together to share our findings, that's how I really think progress can happen at the rate with which we need to see it happen. Future generations will continue the work that I'm trying really hard to do and to solve. Knowing how much is in existence now gives me a lot of hope for knowing how much there could be in the future with the amazing people that are trying for it. We're the ones that caused the destruction of this ecosystem in the first place. So I think it makes sense that we would also be the ones to come in and help restore it. I think one of the exciting things about our lab is that we really work closely and hand in hand with restoration practitioners who are doing this work every day in the field to try to understand, like, how can this research that we're working on, the answers that we're finding, help shape the on-the-ground conservation. So I just think that we have the tools, corals have the tools, and then if we work together, I think that they got a really good shot at staying around for a very long time.